In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order tracker in Glide. To get started, open your browser and head over to Glide. Once the site loads, click Login and sign into your account so you can access the app builder. After you're inside Glide, look for the option to create a new project. Click New App, choose Blank App, and then click Create App. This gives you a clean starting point, which is perfect when you want to build an order tracker from scratch and organize it exactly the way you need. Once your new app opens, move to the left sidebar and open the navigation panel. This is where you control the structure of your app and add the screens users will move between. From there, click Add Screen to create a new screen for your order tracker. After adding the screen, connect it to your orders data table. This source table is what powers the screen, so make sure you select the table that contains your order information. This connection is important because it tells Glide which records should appear in this part of the app. Next, go over to the right panel and choose the style for the screen. Glide gives you different layout options, and this affects how your order data is displayed visually. Pick the style that makes the tracker easiest to read and use. For example, if you want a simple list of orders, choose a style that keeps the information clear and organized. The goal here is to make the app practical for anyone who needs to check order details quickly. After that, return to the left panel and click to add a component. Components are the building blocks of the screen, and this is how you decide what information users will see. Choose the component that best fits the type of order information you want to display. Once the component is added, go to the right panel again and edit it. This is where you customize how the component behaves, what data states it pulls in, and how it appears on the screen. Take a moment here to review the settings carefully so the tracker shows the right fields in a clean and useful way. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This makes your order tracker available so it can be viewed and used. Before sharing it, it's always a good idea to do one final check to make sure the screen layout, data connection, and component settings are working as expected. Thanks for watching this Glide tutorial on how to create an order tracker. If this helped you, comment and subscribe for more no-code tutorials. See you in the next video.